Hello, everyone, and welcome to How to Think in English, Episode 1. Today, we'll talk about the most important step: stop translating from your native language. When we learn English, most of us first think in our own language and then translate. For example, if you want to say, "I'm hungry," you might first think it in your native language and then find the English words. But this makes speaking slow and difficult. So, how can we stop translating? Step 1. Connect words to feelings, not your language. When you say hungry, think of the feeling in your stomach. When you say tired, imagine how your body feels. Step 2. Use simple English every day. Talk to yourself. Say small sentences aloud. I am walking. It's a nice day. I like this song. Don't worry about grammar. The goal is to let your brain hear and feel English as something natural. Step 3. Surround yourself with English sounds. Listen to English songs, podcasts, and short videos. Even if you don't understand everything, your brain is learning the rhythm and the flow. So remember, stop translating, start feeling English. In the next episode, we'll learn how to use mental pictures to think faster in English. Thanks for watching, and keep thinking in English.